Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to reset camera settings on your Samsung phone to default. This is really useful if your camera is not working properly or if you have changed a lot of settings and want to start fresh. So let's begin. First, open the camera app on your Samsung phone. Now find the gear icon. Now in my case, it's probably hidden here. So here's the gear icon, tap on it. Scroll down and find this option called Reset Settings and tap on it. Then tap Reset. This will restore all camera settings back to the factory default without deleting your photos or videos. And that's it. You have successfully reset your Samsung camera settings. Now your camera should work just like it did when you first got your phone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Samsung tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.